In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine your values from other cells here in Google Sheets. So let's say you're dealing with a large set of data and you just want to combine the values from the same category from your data. Here's how you're going to do it with a query function. So I'm going to start my formula right here in D2. Click on that, put in your equal sign, and just type in query. There you have it. So we have a syntax of data, query, and your headers. So the range that we're going to be selecting here would be our entire data, including our headers, comma, then start our query. If you're not familiar with the query function, I do have a separate video about this that you might want to check out. I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. So with this one, what we're going to do is to select column A. So starting your query with double quotation marks, don't forget that, very important. Select column A, comma. Then what we're going to do is to sum column B right here. Now, when putting in the letters for your columns, all of them have to be in capital letters. So while we're summing our column B right here, which is our values, we're going to be grouping them by our column A. So what this will do, will aggregate all of our data or our values right here based on the category that they belong to. So when we're done with this formula, what we're going to be seeing are the unique values from the category column and the total values from all of those categories on the right side. After you're done with your query, we're going to put in another comma and include our headers. So since we've selected our headers here with our data, we're going to be putting in 1 since we have that one row of headers. Close that off, press enter, and here we have it. So we have our header, category, and the sum value. Not just the value, but the sum value. So everything has been aggregated together. Everything that belongs to this clothing category has been totaled right here. And there you have it. So that's how you can combine your values from other cells using the query function here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.